Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to see sensitive contents on Twitter. So if you're ready, let's get started. So from our Twitter app, make sure that it is updated on your end. So let's tap our Twitter account and go to our profile settings on the upper left corner of your phone, and then tap on profile. As you can see on the upper right, you can see their edit profile. Tap on it and then tap on your birth date. So if you're 18 or over 18 and have included your birth date on your profile, you can actually adjust your privacy and safety settings to view sensitive content. So you can just change the year for you to see any content that you wish on Twitter. If you're done editing that one, then click continue. So make sure that you have chosen the right year, because if you're below 18 you might unable to view sensitive content on. So for us to turn off that hide sensitive content, we will not use our Twitter app. Instead, we will open another browser. It can be Safari or Chrome, anything that is available on your phone. We will open our Twitter from there and log in. And the same process, tap on your profile on the upper left corner of your phone. So this is from the browser and not from the Twitter app. So let's try to click our profile and then tap on settings and support. So you will see that options there. Tap settings and privacy. You will be headed to this page. All you have to do is to tap privacy and safety and then tap content you see. Now, this display media that may contain sensitive content option is not available in our Twitter app, but it's available on any browser. So on the right corner of your phone, you will see that small box that has a check mark. So you can just simply toggle that on if you wish to see sensitive content, and toggle it off if you don't want to see any sensitive content on Twitter. Then you can refresh the app and see the changes. So that's basically the process. If you find this helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more updates.